to rest and then she
Sarah
have
is
energy later.
sleeping. Tapos yung rainbow nakakatuwa. 1/4 lang. Ay sobrang 1/4 ba yun o sobra pa? Sobrang liit.
Oh, what is this? A tattoo.
Kalat booking our car guys. Ayan o. Yung mga to nakatingin dito. Ayan nakatingin sila sa car namin.
Looking underneath because it's suspension and then the
They're looking.
sun rays.
Ganda ng car guys. O diba? Saan pa pa? Yan ang owner niya. Ikaw na. Tignan nyo sila lahat. Alam nyo ba kung saan sila nakatingin? Dito. What is model is this one?
GTR.
Lahat sila nakatingin dito.
Full wide body.
Hindi natin, hindi naman siya sasakit.
Why? Eating food, food, and best.
Where's she going?
Ayan si Wayne nandun. Ito si Wayne. Ayan si Wayne, no? Tinatanong kasi yung sasakyan niya. Sabi ko sa'yo, ayan si Wayne, no? Tinitignan yung sasakyan niya. Ayan, tsaka si Sienna. Dami tumitingin ng sasakyan ni Wayne. Hindi, kasi rare siya dito sa Australia. Driving. Following, there's some people there.
It's like it's still morning.
Nandito kami sa ano? Car show. Car events. Pero patapos na eh. Ay! What's happening? What? What? Ah, it's the rainbow light.
Like a police.
It's like a police naman that. I don't like that.
What?
That's the one I'm waiting because it's going to up.
What?
It's going to up this car, look. It's going to up Sienna. Don't block me. Don't block me. There. See it, Sienna? Maybe he's going to drive to us. Who is going at the hill? Sienna, wait na! Huh? Yeah. Feyra, I'm here. I'm here. Yeah, she said she bored na. Did you said your mom the car of hair before?
Yeah, I saw actually one before. There's actually one.
Pero it's lock. I lock it, ate. You just wait me there. I will be you for a while. Here, ha? You will go to mom. Oh, look at the kids. Have a motorbike small. This is Wayne. Wayne. monster truck. Pero old police car. Oh, Sam is going na. Oh, let's go. We go na to Nana, Papi. No, maybe they will transfer their parking only. I will carry you. Kiss, Mom. Kiss, Mom.
Look, this car don't have any roof.
Yeah.
When you can go to that red.
No, it's comfortable. They can put the roof soon when it's raining.
Oh.
It's the way we have it.
You carry, Peira. It's heavy. Si Anna have a motorbike also eh. Purple. That's the one that was supposed to be that you can use. Yeah. Sumunod sa amin yung parents ni Wayne. Hindi punta rin sila sa car show. It's like okay na the speaker. It's like okay na the speaker.
If you hit someone, you cut in the car. It's on UK cab.
UK car.
It's weird, why are they
Oh, it's okay na the music. Ang lakas ng music na isang car dun. Oh. Narinig niyo ba? Lapit natin. Eh, mamaya na, nandito yung parents ni Wayne. Hi, Peira. Peira. Hi.
It's on SLR.
Oh, it's going to out. Daming mga pumunta dito, no? Para lang tumingin sa car. Pero orange car. He don't like orange anymore. Mm.
You can pick his brain and he'll, honestly, whatever he says, trust him, he will just go make it the easiest trip forever. Yeah.
Si Sienna na po po. Mamaya aalis naman kami. Oh.
The older than that.
Mm. What?
Don't know how. Or supercharged.
Oops, the butterfly. Pera, butterfly. Yeah, butterfly is going to you. Orange butterfly. Look at the remote control, Pera. The remote control car.